I am walking home. School is finished today. The weather is very nice. I feel happy. My house is there. I can see my home. I walk to the door. I am excited.
Hello, Mom. Hello, Dad. I am home now. I had a good day.
Welcome home, sweetie. We're so glad.
We missed you, buddy. Come on in.
Yay, Tommy's home. Look at my flowers.
Welcome home, Tom. How was school today? Did you learn something new? We are happy to see you.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. It was great. I learned about dinosaurs.
That's wonderful, son.
Tom, wash your hands.
Dinner is ready now.
Come to the kitchen.
We will eat together.
Okay, Mom. All clean.
Wonderful.
This food smells good. I like dinner time. We eat together. I feel happy. Pass the ball to me. I run very fast. I like football. This game is fun. Okay, Tom. I'm open. Over here. This is so fun. Woo! Look at my kick. The ball goes far. Goal! We are very happy. Yes! We did it! Woo! Again! So fun! It is evening now. I go back home. I had a fun game. I feel a little tired.
Tom, close your eyes. Do not look now. We have a surprise. Just follow me. Walk slowly, Tom. The surprise is coming. You will like it. Keep your eyes closed.
Okay, Mom.
You're doing great. Just a bit further. Happy birthday, Tom.
Wow, this is beautiful. I love the balloons. The cake looks great. Thank you. Let's enjoy the last moments of my new year. I make a wish. The cake smells sweet. I am very happy. Let's cut the cake, Dad. Come on. Mom, help me to cut the cake. I am very happy with my family.
Of course, buddy. Let's do it together.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Yay, it's perfect.
Happy birthday, Tom. Here's your cake.
Blow out the candle, sweetie.
This cake is so sweet. I really like it. Today is my best day. I love my family. This cake is tasty. I like chocolate cake.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Happy birthday, champ.
Tom, close your eyes. Do not look now. We have a surprise. Just follow me.
Okay, Mom.
Tom, close your eyes again. One more surprise waits. Come with me. Walk slowly. This bicycle is for you. It is...
Wow, a new bicycle. Wow, a bicycle. Is this real? Dad, whose bicycle is this? Did someone bring it for me?
It's yours, buddy.
Happy birthday, Tom. Dad, thank you so much. You are my dear father. I love you very much. This is the best gift.
I love you too, Tom. I'm so glad you love it.
Wow, is this for me?
Tom, this bicycle is for you. It is your birthday surprise. We wanted to make you happy. You are our wonderful son.
Thank you, Dad. My bicycle's very fast. I like riding it. I love it so much. Thank you, Mom. This is the best day. Thank you for this gift. I am very happy. I'm Phantom Pianist. All of my parents always stay happy. May their lives be long and full of joy. I love my family very much. Thank you for everything.